This video is an overview of the AX4Pharma 365 Clinical Supplies module. With the AX4Pharma 365 Clinical Supplies module, you can fulfill complete end-to-end clinical supply chains with ease and accuracy in Microsoft Dynamics 365, from the management of the clinical trial and design to the planning of production, packaging, quality control, distribution, and forecasting. I'm going to provide you with an overview of the functionalities available in this module. Clinical trials are conducted according to a plan called a protocol. The AX4Pharma 365 Clinical Supplies module allows you to collect the master data of the protocol, along with the other information, being the first the intervention or treatment that is the focus of the clinical study, choosing among drugs, medical devices, procedures, and non-invasive approaches, such as education or modifying diet or exercise. The condition, disease, disorder, syndrome, illness, or injury that is being studied with the specific intervention or treatment should be specified too, as well as the length of the study and the dosages or amount of the drugs given to patients. Researchers design clinical trials to answer specific research questions related to a medical product. Is it safe? Is it effective? The importance of uninterrupted supply and quality assurance of products for a clinical trial makes it essential to implement robust supply chain management. With our complete and integrated clinical supplies solution, you can navigate complex supply chains with ease and accuracy in Microsoft Dynamics 365. But what are some of the challenges of clinical supply chain management? Preventing drug stockouts while minimizing the cost and waste of medicines. Our solution provides forecasting, scheduling, planning, manufacturing, and distribution processes, and it responds dynamically to changes with powerful visualization and real-time information. The AX4Pharma 365 Clinical Supplies module allows the creation of hierarchical packaging of blister cards, bottles, medical kits, boxes, and pallets with unique sequence numbers and barcoded print labels for delivery units. This module allows one to manage the logistical requirements of moving clinical products, tracking and tracing goods by expiration dates, and then lot tracing via handheld devices. It ensures accurate and timely management of delivery and inventory information, including internal and third-party logistics providers, and it supports the logistical requirements to move products from warehouse to warehouse, site to site, domestic or international, import permits and licenses, special packaging, and labeling.